We'll cut the bodi into 1-inch pieces. And I've already rinsed it. I kept the rubber band on to keep it together. We'll peel the aloo for the curry bodi and aloo. And we'll cut 1 tomato in cubes. We already have a half an onion chopped and hot pepper ready. We have chopped bandania, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, which is optional because we're going to use some green seasoning that we made in the chana and aloo video. Hot pepper and onion. Add oil, onion, curry leaves, and the hot pepper. And this is a 5-quart pot over low heat at the moment. And it's on low heat because it's on my largest burner. And you can also add about a half teaspoon of whole grain jeera, cumin, or some of this. My mom bought it in Queens. It's called Bora. It's a combination of a lot of different seeds in there. And this is totally optional. I will have to check the packaging to see what seeds there are, but I see Métis. I think this is... In my research, I found out that Panch Poran literally means 5 spice. It's a lovely blend of cumin, fenugreek, fennel, mustard, and nigella, also known as kalonji seeds. Correct me if I'm wrong. The onion is brown at the edges. It's very aromatic. The pepper is also brown on the edges. We'll add in the curry powder. I have 2 tablespoons of curry powder and half teaspoon of turmeric. I will let you know at the end if that is sufficient, or if it's too much, and I'll adjust it in the printed recipe. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, and my mom said that my grandpa, my nana, her father, cooked this like he would cook meat. It was so delicious. So that's what we're going to attempt to do today. Make it very delicious. And if you did not want curry, you could just make bodi and aloo, no curry. Just skip the curry. Add in the bodi and aloo now. Bodi is also known as long green beans, yard beans, Bora for the Guyanese. Half cup of water. And allow it to boonje really well. Couple of minutes. This is thickened. Separated from the oil, very fragrant. And then really cooked and toasted. I will add in the aloo. You can add the bodi or the aloo all together. I just feel like cooking this up here. They'll both cook in the same amount of time. Oh, it smells so good. Curry. Okay, bye. Thanks. Okay, now we'll add in the bodi. Mommy said she adds in the bodi the same time with the aloo. And we'll also add in the tomato, a little bit of bandania, or the green seasoning we made in the curry chana video, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and we will stir well to combine. It has a nice color already. It's not too yellow, not too overpowering. Make sure you get the bottom of the pot. Scrape up any bits at the bottom. Get your hot water ready. Just to know that if you get heartburn after eating curry, you can try cooking it without the hot pepper. Stir well. Stir it well. Boonje it for a couple of minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Develop the flavors of the curry. Add a little green seasoning in here, if you wish. Not the kind we used to make stew, but the curry, the one we made for the curry chana and aloo. My mom said Nana also added a bit of thyme in here, so I could add a sprig of thyme. A sprig of thyme, not too overpowering. We want balance, we want harmony of flavors. I'm going to cover and boonje this for 5 minutes. And then we'll add in the hot water. It's beginning to stick. It cooked for like 5 minutes. And now it's time to add your hot water. Let's start with 2 or 3 cups. We're starting with 1 cup of hot water. We'll need another cup. Cup number 2. We want it right below. Maybe give me half a cup more, let's see. Because this is on the big burner. The small burner, medium burner is occupied at the moment. So that's 2.5 cups of water. You could always add more. You don't want to add too much at this point. Cover and cook. Let's add some salt. Did we add salt yet? No. 2 teaspoons of salt. So this is Himalayan salt. You may require less. So just add based on your requirements. I hope I did not add salt already. Just can't remember. Taste. Perfect. Cover and cook. We'll cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes, checking every 5 minutes, stirring to develop and to meld those flavors. I serve the curry Bodi and Aloo with curry, chana and aloo with baigan. It's my Diwali special and Mummy's Diwali special. Mummy always makes this at Diwali. So if you haven't checked out that video yet, I'll leave the link below. This combination is extremely delicious. They go so well together, along with mango takari, pumpkin, rice and curry, bhaji, and mother-in-law. And don't forget the paratha. So check that out. The curry Bodi and Aloo has been cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, the potatoes are tender. The Bodi is well cooked. I'm not going to stir too much to break up the potatoes. There's still a little bit of liquid left in the pot, and that's perfect for me. The salt is ideal, and all the flavors are beautifully melded and perfect. We'll take off the stove now, and we're done. Enjoy. So delicious, amazing, and so very simple. Simple ingredients, simple technique, amazing flavor. Enjoy. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. Another simple, hearty, and flavorful curry Bodi and Aloo. One of my favorite vegetarian dishes from Trinidad. I really hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my other vegetarian and vegan recipes. We have so much on the blog. Chana and aloo, pumpkin talkari, bhaji with peas and okra, all perfect for Diwali or any day you're craving a wholesome home-cooked meal. Please like, share, and leave a lovely comment below. You know I always love hearing from you. I truly hope you're enjoying these vegetarian recipes as much as I love creating and sharing them with you. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, love, and enjoy. Bye-bye.